Hello all, today in this video we are going to make a continuation of the previous chatbot video only. So previously with the previous video we made an chatbot by using two intents, which is the greetings and goodbye. So within this video we are going to make some more intents. So we can just make a quick preview of the previous thing which we have made. So we have created an intents of two greetings and goodbye. So within that we have created some patterns and responses, and then this patterns and responses which we have created only will give an response in the quillboard sheet. Other than that, if you are any giving means, it will display like I didn't understand that, since we have given this command. So if you want to given some other command means, you can just change it. Then we have made three definitions. So one is for matching the user input with patterns. The other is to generate and response, and next is the main chatbot function. So the match within the match intent, we will be calling the patterns within the intents, and within the generate response we will be calling the responses from the intent, and within the chatbot we will be calling both this match intent and generate response, because what is the duty of this chatbot is we have to get the user input and we have to give an response regarding that. So we have to use both this definition in this chatbot definition. And also, apart from this intents, if anything is declared or anything we are giving means, it will be coming like I didn't understand that. And finally, to end, you have to give quit. So in this video, we are going to add more patterns. Previously, we have given this two only, and also previously, if you see means, we will be giving three, or fourth one I just made in the previous video, like a height AI, because in height I only we have not given height AI, because if you are giving height AI also, it will give the response like I don't understand only. Why? Because we have not added that spelling in this patterns. Then within the responses also we have given some comments and a response for that. Then we have given thanks, help, joke. Some unknown means it is coming like I don't understand that, or else you can please rephrase also. Others, the three definitions like match intent, generate response, chatbot are same only. So here we are going to work with this more number of intents. So I'm just rerunning it. I'm just running it. Here I'm just giving hi. So it is displaying as a hello. So first then we can give some help. So for help, what are the comments which we have used is help. I need help. What can I do? So here I have given, I'm going to give what can I do. So I think I have given something wrong. What can you do? It is, and also the question mark also we have to give. If some cases it will identify if you are not giving the question mark also. We can give like not with question mark. So the same thing I said you, it is coming like I didn't understand that. Then for that we can just give make me laugh. In that case it will blink with some not some, with the two either of the two comedies which we have given. Then we have to just make thanks. For that I'm just making appreciated. So in that case, we will be giving my pleasure, which is we have added over here. And finally, I'm giving like see you later. So in that case, it will give me some have a great day or bye something. Because if you am giving bye means, it will like that only. Then I'm just quitting it. So if you want to expand means, you can just expand it, or else I'm just quitting it. So in the next video, we will be working with pattern matching, and it will continue with some other examples or series. Thank you. And if you are interested in knowing in some other videos or series means, please let us know in the comment box. So if we are aware of means, if of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding it. Thank you.